Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to send a view once message on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send message. Tap on the attachment icon and select either a photo, video or text. Now before sending, look for the view once icon next to the send button. Tap on it. This makes your photos, video or message disappear after the person view it once. That's how you send a view once message on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.